Keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure, here we are with the remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning to all students. Hello students. Today we will continue our chapter number 6, Conflicts with Mughals. We have already studied about Mughal general Shaista Khan's invasion, the Surat campaign by Shivaji, Jai Singh's invasion in our last session. So let's begin today's session with Shivaji's Agra visit and escape. In the last session, we also learnt about Treaty of Purandar, where Shivaji had to give his 23 forts to Mughal emperor, and he also assured them that he would help Mughals against Adil Shahi. So, after that treaty, Jai Singh launched a campaign against the Adil Shahi. So, here campaign means military operation against someone. So, Maharaj helped Jai Singh, but this campaign was not successful. Now, Aurangzeb and Jai Singh felt that Shivaji Maharaj should be kept away from this Deccan politics for some time. So, Jai Singh proposed or suggested Shivaji Maharaj that he should go Agra and meet the Emperor Aurangzeb. But Shivaji Maharaj knew that Aurangzeb is not trustworthy. Then Jai Singh guaranteed the safety of Shivaji Maharaj. Shivaji set out for Agra with his son Sambhaji and few of his trusted people who were ready to do anything for Shivaji. They were ready to risk their lives for him. When Shivaji Maharaj reached Agra, he did not get good treatment and, or you can say honor or respect from Aurangzeb. Aurangzeb made him stand behind his military commanders in his court. Shivaji Maharaj gave vent to his rage. It means Shivaji Maharaj felt so offended that he stormed out of court. The emperor put Shivaji Maharaj under house arrest. Now, undeterred by this action of emperor, Shivaji devised a plan of escaping from the house arrest. Undeterred here means not discouraged. He was arrested, but still he did not get discouraged. He adroitly escaped from Agra and reached Maharashtra after a few days. So, adroitly here means in a very clever way. So, what he did, he and his son, they hid in the large baskets of sweets and escaped from his court. He reached Rajgarh. While returning from Agra, he had left Sambhaji at Mathura. And after some time, Sambhaji was brought back safely to Rajgarh. While Shivaji was away from Swaraj, his mother Veer Mata Jijabai and the associates of Shivaji, they looked after the administration of Swaraj. They were taking care of the administration of Swaraj very well. Next is on the offensive against Mughals. So students, here offensive means attack or a sudden military attack. Now, immediately after returning from Agra, Maharaj did not want any conflict with the Mughals. But he wanted to recapture the forts and territory given to the Mughals as per the Purandar Treaty. For that, he prepared a very comprehensive, very detailed, and a very bold plan. It was his strategy to capture the forts by sending a well-equipped army on one hand, and on the other hand, keep the Mughals unstable by attacking the territories of the Deccan under their control. So Shivaji Maharaj wanted to recapture the forts and territory given to the Mughals as per the Purandar Treaty. Maharaj attacked the territories of Ahmednagar and Munnar. Then he recaptured several forts. Few of them are Sinhagad, Purandar, Lohagad, Mahuli, Karnala, and Rohida, one after another. Then Maharaj attacked Surat for the second time. He even fought a battle with the Mughals at Vani Dindori, which is in Nasik. Maharaj defeated the Mughal Sardar Daud Khan in the great battle. After that, Moro Pant Pingle, who was a Peshwa or a minister in Shivaji's court, captured Triambakgarh fort near Nasik. Thus, Shivaji Maharaj was successful in the offensive, in the attack that he had launched against the Mughals. Shivaji Maharaj, Sardar Tanhaji Malusare, Moro Pant Pingle, Pratap Rao Gujar, all of them made a valuable contribution in these offensives. They were standing with Shivaji in all in the time of odd. So Krishnaji Anant Sabhasad, a contemporary chronicler. See, contemporary here means belonging to the same time, and chronicler means a person who writes about important historical events. So this person, Krishnaji Anant Sabhasad, who was present at the time of Shivaji Maharaj, describes the campaigns of Shivaji in these words. What he wrote? He here means Shivaji, took as many as 27 forts in 4 months and earned a great reputation for himself. It means he is praising the courage, the valor of Shivaji Maharaj. So it was just because of Shivaji Maharaj's determination, a proper comprehensive plan, that he could get back all the territory from Mughals. So that's all for today, students. Thank you so much.